Sometimes in the game you are all on your own and you have to show what you can do without any help. In this exercise, it is all about precision in controlling the ball and passing, but already thinking about the next move. First touch makes a difference in a game of football, and here you can practice it and beat your opponent as well. We may adapt the rules so that the players might change their feet, might shoot only with the inner or outer side of their foot, or we may even limit the number of contacts with the ball.